Welcome you all. Myself Nibila and Maunika and Kartika.
We are pursuing second year EEE in Banariaman Institute of Technology.
Now we are going to explain the troubleshoot in the wet grinder.
This video is used to trace and correct fault in mechanical or electronic system of wet grinder. These are the parts of wet grinder. The major cause of failure in wet grinder are shooted below. First it is power cord, then grinder switch, capacitor, belt, bearing and coil. Let's see the problem occurs in the power cord. If there is any interruption in the power supply, there will be no proper rotation of the grinder. This can be detected by using multimeter through continuity test. In some cases, there is no default in power cord. It seems the faults occur in the wet grinder switch. Testing by using test lamp ensures that the switch operates properly. The major fault occurs in the capacitor. At the higher temperature and higher voltage, capacitor will fail more quickly. Though overload is proportional to the heat in blender, it will automatically terminate. This shows there is some fault in capacitor. We can check the quality of the capacitor by connectivity test. Then belt. The motion of the grinder will be continuing, but there is no grinding process. We know that repair is relatively simple by changing the belt. Aging of belt is also taken into consideration. Too much or too little lubricating oil in the bearing or aging are also the main reason of bearing damage by overheat. As a result, unusual sound occurs. Finally, if you think that you are doing everything right and the grinder is defective, there is also proper power supply. When burning sensation occurs, then we conclude that coil fails to work. This was detected by using multimeter.